Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making Spinach Dolma. So let's start cooking. There are 3 parts of ingredients for the Spinach Dolma. For the vegetables, you'll need 1 bunch of parsley, finely chopped, 1 bunch of spring onions, sliced, 2 small tomatoes or 1 large tomato, diced, 2 bunches of English spinach or green Swiss chard, 1 large eggplant, and some baby tomatoes and shallots. For the rice mixture, you will need 2 cups of white Calrose rice, which I've soaked in water for about 40 minutes and rinsed and drained, 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1/4 cup of light olive oil, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of citric acid, and 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. For the juice, you will need 3 cups of boiling hot water, 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1/4 cup of light olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of citric acid. this is how your spinach dolma should look like. Serve with some masta and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. Don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!